Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Y'all want to go to Dollar Tree with me? Let's go see what they got. See if they have anything new in here. Hey everybody, I went to 3 different Dollar Trees and I'm going to show you what I purchased. This tablecloth, and here it is on the table. Voila! Getting ready for the Independence Day. So these are the items I picked up. Some now laters, mixed fruit, and it's a 4-ounce bag. The extreme sour now laters that you see I've already opened up. It's also mixed fruits in a 4-ounce bag also. My husband loves this dark chocolate raspberry cream filled candy. Got some individually wrapped Mentos that I keep in my purse, and I like to use it while I'm at work because you know I work in a hospital, so that's why I like to keep many in my mouth. I got some Brims cheddar cheese popcorn. I got some white cheddar popcorn also by Brims. Of course, I got my staple item. I like the Scott tissue. I got a square mirror. My staple item, my Huggy wipes. I got this Colgate. I paid 50 cents for it. I had a coupon. And I got me some candles. The cinnamon bun. Got 2 of those. And this is a new candle for me, a basil herb garden. They smell pretty good. And I got this fabric, craft fabric. And the pattern is cupcakes, and I'm gonna use it to decorate my badge holders. If you're not familiar with my channel, I decorate badge holders and sell them in my Etsy shop. So these are all the cupcakes. So all I have to do is just cut a cupcake out and put it on a badge holder. See, I can make a lot of them with that. That was great for $1. Some Lysol wipes to keep in my vehicle. These are some air freshener. They smell good. They're black ice. And I got this drain thing for my daughter. Mirror. Another framed mirror. And I found these cute pineapple stickers. Got this 45 count zipper seal sandwich bags, and then I got the snack bags zipper seal also. And I found these cute little clear acrylic trays to organize some things in my craft room. Got 3 of those. Staple item. I pick up Dove and the tissue and the wipes every time I go to Dollar Tree. I got me some hand sanitizer, a little OCD. I got those wipes for my daughter. I try to pick up items for her every time I go. I got some aluminum pans for when we barbecue. And I got some water. And last but not least, I got some mixed fruit to make smoothies with, the berry banana blend. And that's a 6-ounce bag, and they're great for smoothies, so that's what I have. So this is it. I'll continue to show you love and encourage you.